Welcome. This video I'll show you how to set up welcome series here in Omnisend. Alright, so first up, we would need to create an automation, okay? Go ahead over to automation right here in the left panel and just click on create workflow. And here, as you can see at the top or at the top left, we have the type and welcome is available, okay? You have here welcome with one email and one text, or one email only, or 2 emails, or even with 3 emails. Okay, you could just go ahead and select one depending on what you need. But just for this example, we're going to be using Wheel of Fortune right here, which is 2 emails. Okay, click on customize workflow. Now, once it loads, we would need to set the automation trigger. Okay, by default, it is set to subscribe to marketing. Okay, but this is just basically what we needed. All right, and also you could go ahead and click on trigger filters to add in some filters. For example, channel subscribe to is email. All right. And form settings contains Wheel of Fortune. Okay, you can go ahead and add in more trigger and more groups if you want to, and the audience filter here as well. All right, let's click on this drop down and click on add audience filter. And also you have the exit conditions. If you want to, you can go ahead and click on customize, and the frequency right here by default is enabled as well. You can go ahead and change it by just clicking on this box. And here, as you can see, skip contacts who have already been in this automation in the last 7 days, 1 week. All right, and once done, hit on save. And if you want to as well, you can skip contacts you are currently in or have recently completed other automations. Now, as you might have noticed in here, we have these delays. All right, so basically what it says, wait for 1 minute. If you want to add in your own delay, go to flow actions right here and just drag and drop. All right. Click on the delay right here. You can go ahead and change the waiting time. Okay, it could be 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 month, immediately, or a specific time of the day. And in here, as you can see, we have split conditions. If you don't know how to get split, you have that in here. Drag and drop, and just click on it. Okay, as you can see here, the split condition or the rule of this specific split is first subscription is true. If this is the first time the person or a customer subscribed, okay, to your specific post, all right, as it stays here, if yes, it will send an email saying, welcome to the account name, all right, don't forget to use your price discount code. If not, if this condition has not been met, okay, or is false, it will send this specific email. You won, here's your exclusive discount, congrats, your discount is inside. Don't miss out. Okay, if you want to change the contents of one of these emails, you can go ahead and click on one, go to the right panel, scroll down, and just click on edit content. All right, and once everything is set up, you have adjusted the timings, the delays, or basically set up everything. You can now then go ahead and click on save and close, or start the workflow. All right, and there you have it. That is basically how you set up welcome series here in Omnisend. Again, if you wanted to add in some more emails or maybe SMS, just drag and drop. Okay, don't forget to add in some delays or even conditions if you want to. All right, and there you have it. That is how you set up welcome series here in Omnisend. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.